Fashion. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel where we take old clothes and make it fashion. So if that sounds good, please subscribe. I have been eating myself up last week over sewing a corset.
It costs that much cause it takes me f***ing hours.
So today we're not gonna sew. We're just gonna... Huh? Did you still have something to say? Still think it's a good idea to come to my channel? My channel? Coffee. So the handy people amongst us might have gotten the point by now, but I will explain it slowly for all the dumbass people in the back. Take your time, we have all day. Yes, I'm talking to you. We're gonna bedazzle the bag with silicone. That's right, we're just gonna shoot it right on top. I'd call the first step optional. A bit unnecessary to be honest, but you'll see later why. Logo design I think is one of the hardest things, especially for fashion. It's like quickly not cool, let's be honest. They have these beautiful people called graphic designers. Who's gonna pay for a logo nowadays? So we just do it with our rec logo. Look, in the middle of the R, I thought it time to cut a little bit of paper so that I have this little round in there as well. It will be elastic, UV resistant. That packaging is great! I don't get it. There's lots of information on there in about 12 different languages. Obviously I speak them all. However, it doesn't explain in any of those how to use the product. I guess, how do I do that? Oh, you have to press it. Okay. Press the thing, pull it out. Fill it up. Oh, I smell something already. It smells like vinegar indeed.
One eternity later.
Have you ever wondered what you would say to your younger self if you get the opportunity? Well, I know what I'd say. That's not how you open the freaking bottle, you idiot. Just have to chop off the top of the bottle with something sharp. This project would have been so much easier. Okay. Huh? Okay, it seems to continue. Hell, how do I stop it? Oh no. This goes on and on and on. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so it's working. That's great. Let's begin, shall we? Try a little bit more. Oh my god. So I'm gonna start with making a few lines of silicone around the edges. And I did cover up the frame with tape as well, just to make sure that I'm not gonna spill on it. I know, I actually wait for that Nobel Prize at this point. Oh no, that's on the floor. How do I stop it? Okay, to be honest, I thought it would be easier. You somehow need muscles for this. Honestly, I thought it was part of the game that your hand would get very, very painful because you had to press this gun so hard. That's because I made a tiny little hole with my nail instead of just cutting off the opening of the bottle. It smells like a strong salad.
Ready for my salad?
Drying really quickly, much quicker than I expected to be honest. I'm using my knife now to create spikes before it dries. Oh, it just smells like vinegar. It's supposed to be not so toxic. That vinegar smells actually hitting you in the face when you're hanging above your work. I would recommend getting a fan or something to blow some fresh air. And like once you get the hang of it, you know what I mean? I will be able to do it a little bit more regular. I ended up using 3 whole bottles of silicone for this DIY designer bag project, so be prepared. Ew, it's stuck in there. Oh, there's still some in there. Quite a lot. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can use that too. Just don't hang your nose above the bottles. a lot left, but it's really hard to do it nicely when it's coming out like this. I feel like something has gone wrong. Maybe I pressed too hard, but I don't think it's supposed to be full of silicone here. Let's say it's gotta be interesting for sure. Okay, I'm good. Let's have fun. Here we go. Stop shooting at me. Don't try to put on the logo for fun. If it doesn't work, we can make spies out of it. I feel like the first side was kind of practicing, it was fun, but now that we know how to do it and we're big fat pros, I want the other side to look super snatched. I'm gonna whiten it first so there's no ugly yellow patches. Basically just see how aesthetic we can make this texture with this technique. I almost feel like an overachiever now, but I'm even going in with a little brush to whiten the patches that were not covered with the silicone. I know it was really bothering me, but I think it looks better when it's just very fresh. And then we say bye-bye. Ugly vintage back handles. And hello, beautiful 24 karat golden chain. Yes, it's also from the construction shop. Ruin the fantasy, please. Knock knock, who's there? Time to subscribe. Doesn't work that way, does it? Either way, I hope you like it, and I shall see you next week.